Okay.
So this is
And
going
this is
an electrical bed, right?
CPR. Yes. Now we are using the CPR function. The bike and the light will lift will back and up together,
Mm-hmm.
and also have the bed head adjustment function.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see now the bed head is increased.
Mm-hmm. Oh, the total bed height is getting increased. Yeah.
Yes, it can still can increase. Oh, because this is met.
So how about the weight capacity? How much weight it can last long? What's the maximum weight capacity?
The what?
What's the weight, maximum weight it can be?
Oh, the maximum the vector. Okay, I get you. The is about 215 to 300.
Oh,
You can
kgs.
see the bed panel. This is the best bed panel, not like other manual model. The thickness.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you no need to worry about the patient's weight.
Okay. So,
Okay, now this is okay.
so this is the electrical bed, right? So you are having.
Yes, we have electric three function and the electric fail function.
Okay.
Electric fail function is usually used for the ICU hospital room.
Mhm. Okay.
So if you got interested, we can introduce you to show you the next electric.
Yeah,
This one
sure.
this one is also
Yeah,
the
for
electric.
that one. Yeah.
OK，准备把那张床插电，等我把这张床降下来啊，那你就插就行了。我也好长时间不卖这个东西，那个你不会用是正常。稍微影响点。
So what's the difference between the first one and the second one?
The first one is for electric three function. The second one is electric fail function. As you can
Oh,
see, for this function, this one don't have. This is usually used in the CPU hospital room.
okay.
这线为什么卡着呢？看一下啊，把它弄出来，把那个线崩了。
So, so far, do you have any suppliers in Sri Lankan market, Sri Lankan Indian markets? Do you have any suppliers?
We have supplied this hospital by the to a Sri Lanka hospital before, but because the security policy, I can't tell you which hospital.
Yeah. That's
they
fine. That's fine.
purchased they had purchased 200 pieces manual hospital bed from our in last
Okay.
2 years. Yeah.
Mhm.
So do your company have clearance customized capability?
Yeah, we do. And also we are doing the consultations for other hospitals as well. That means we recommend the products to the other hospitals. So what type of product is really good for the industry usage and all.
Oh, I see. For your market, I think not only hospital bed we can supply you, and electric or manual wheelchair, we can also supply to you. It also used widely in the hospital.
Sure.
Yeah. Usually your company purchase how many times, like each quarter or each month?
Sorry, what?
I mean, how many times your company purchase each time? Like per month or per 3 months?
For 3 months?
Per 3 months, your company purchase once, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. That's okay. It's no problem. We can like you need other medical equipment. We can say what can we find for you, or we can also produce other types product.
Okay. And also, can I have a look about the wheelchairs?
The wheelchairs, right?
Yeah, wheelchairs. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. 把那个轮椅给他打开，给他看一下。Yes. We have so many different types manual wheelchair. You can tell me you want what specification or what's your target price. We will recommend to you the most suitable model for you.
Mm-hmm. So this is a manual one, right?
You mean the material?
No, the type of this one is it a manual one or electrical one?
It's not aluminum. It's carbon steel. For electric,
Okay,
we
so do you
have
mean
aluminum.
electrical wheelchairs? Electrical wheelchairs?
We don't have aluminum model in my office now.
Out of, okay.
Yeah, if you are worried about the white capability, carbon steel and aluminum, it don't have too many differences.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So
are these all products are manufactured by you, or are you a vendor company, or are you manufacturing all these products? Are they all your products?
Yes, we are manufacturers of this hospital bed and the wheelchair. If you need other products like monitor, we are also selling this product. We have good relationship with these manufacturers. We can also offer you the good price and quality assurance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So any other products would you like to show me? Apart from the hospital bed, wheelchair, do you have any other things in your office?
About the medical equipment, that's about all we have in this office now.
Oh, okay. And already I saw your catalog. So you have
Sure.
bandages and other products as well, right?
Yes. Bandage we can also supply.
Okay, then. Okay, we will go through all your catalogs, and I really like your products in this office. And we will consult with our team, and we will keep in touch with you. Okay.
Okay. So no problem. When you have inquiry,
Okay.
just
Thank
feel
you.
free to
Thank you
my
for the
office.
demo. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for the demo.
Yeah. Bye. Yeah. Bye, sir.
Bye.